Hey guys, we just got done taking apart the four-wheeler down the bare frame. We're getting ready to strip it down. And I took all the plastics off everything. Motor, everything is out. We're getting ready to strip it down with a wire brush and start priming it. We're gonna paint the whole thing black down to stock, and then we're gonna do what we're gonna do with it. Hey guys, just got done stripping down the frame. Pretty much all stripped down, except I do not have all this stripped down because it's hard to get in there with a grinder. So I think I'm gonna take some paint stripper and strip it all down with a paint stripper. And once I get done with that, we'll start priming it, and then I have this special high temp paint that I can paint the frame with. That'll be perfect because it's way less than powder coating it. That's what I tried to do before, and I tried to do it myself and messed it up. So I think this is gonna be the better route. I probably just have to put some like epoxy, like clear coat over it, and it'll be just as durable. And it looks pretty good in my opinion. I think I'm gonna keep the axle as is. Probably polish up the motor a little bit, and I'm probably I don't know, I might keep that upper A-arm the same but not the bottom. I think I'm gonna paint that black again. And hey guys, I just got back from I've been doing stuff for a few days, haven't been filming, and I completely forgot to film me painting the frame. But we'll still have a video of me painting the racks, and I will film everything. I just forgot completely about filming me painting the frame. I was just so anxious, and I just wanted to paint it, and I just went straight to it. I didn't have the camera with me, and here it is. Looks pretty good. Looks really good. I primed it, painted it, had it all sand down. Looks good. So we're gonna get back to the sanding down. I'm probably gonna sand down these A-arms and the racks, and once I get done with that, I'm going to paint or prime it and paint it. I don't have the primer for it yet, but I'm probably gonna go buy that tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna paint these and everything else. And let's get back to the time lapse. Guys, it's the next day, and we got the frame right here, and we're gonna try to get the engine in and probably try to get a few other things in. I don't know what we're gonna try to get in yet, but whatever works. And let's go on to the time lapse. Sorry about the phone camera. I forgot it was gonna turn out like that. And I'm gonna let you get back to watching the video. Motor's in, and we're gonna try to get some, probably the fan in. Probably the fan, and let me think here. Motor, probably put the motor in, actually, motor mounts and everything, and try to get all that in. Okay, back to the time lapse. I'm back. I just got the four-wheeler done, and I haven't filmed any of it because none of, like, the time-lapse is boring. Let's just say that. And I just got it done, and here it is from the back to the front. Looks good. Looks really good. Frame and everything. I did good on it. There's a few more little things I have to do, but we are about to go on a test mud ride, and it's gonna be not very much, but we're just gonna go test it out. And I'm just gonna go on the GoPro and see you there. So this is gonna be our last ride before we get a Can-Am, because we're selling this thing. So this is the last you're ever gonna see of it. So guys, it may not look that bad, but it's really bad. This is a bad mud hole. Ah, crap. The racks. Okay, we're gonna go to a second gear through this. Great. Structural grade's bottomed out. Hey, that's not coming out. Oh crap, now we gotta go grab a come-along winch. I knew it was too high right there. Real great. If I still had my lift on there, I'd probably go through it, because it would have more clearance. But no, I had to take it off because I'm selling it. Would ride this thing through there, but the keys are inside my book bag, and the battery's not bent. Where's the come along winch? Come along, there you are. Chokers. There we go. I really hope that's long enough, because I don't feel like walking through again. It's hotter than heck in these waders right now. Oh crap, the sun's going down. I forgot about that too. I really hope this is a good camera angle because I never checked. Okay. Oh, please, please, please. Oh, yeah. I think it fits, or whatever. Oh, no. Don't even tell me. Oh, there's so much mud in these things right now. Watch my whole rack come off my four-wheeler. Here, let me start this thing up and... Sheesh! Oh crap, I forgot I have a dead battery. Hopefully she starts. It should be good enough. Crap, I just got mud all over my face. And we're not going to tell anybody about the diff slipping, or whatever that is. How is it not be able to get out right now? Okay, I think that's gonna be it today, guys. We put it back together, we took it apart, put it back together, and it worked. That's good enough for me. See you guys on the next one.